Hi, Don Chadwell here with Your Home Real Estate and Your Home Team. We're going to be sharing a couple of different videos on how to increase your credit limit. So we're going to send these out over the next week or two. We want you to do your best at bringing up your credit, whether you need help from Mike Ramos and Credit Rescue Now, or whether you just need help in bringing it up a couple, 30 or 40 points so that we can get you qualified for that mortgage. So take a look at these videos. We got 3 of them coming up. So we hope that you look at them, view them, do what they say, give us a call with any questions. My direct line is 505-306-9448. If you've met with myself, Kanaka, or Julio, my name is Don Chadwell. I'm the team leader, and you can get any answers that you need from questions you have just by giving me a call. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.